Let's jump into a story about a huge tech transformation. So, this is Rahul. His new online business was absolutely booming. But his tech just couldn't handle the pressure. His own computers, they were totally overloaded, slowing everything way down. Plus, the maintenance costs for all that hardware were just out of control. And get this, if one thing failed, the whole business would just stop, dead. Okay, so he had to find a better solution. And what was it? The answer? Cloud computing, where everything just lives on the internet. Think about it. What if you could access your stuff from anywhere in the world? Or what if hardware failures just weren't something you had to worry about anymore? It lets you scale up your business instantly. No new hardware needed. It also makes your data way more secure with top-of-the-line protection. And your team, they could work together perfectly, from anywhere. This was a total game changer for Rahul's business. Want to see how? To get the whole story, check out the full explainer on our channel. And for even more info, just head over to the PCDS website.